Part 2 of a full face of my most expensive makeup. The base is so glowy, but let's get started on the eyes. I'm going to prep the lid with this Harmony liquid eyeshadow. It retails for $43. Now let's go in with my most expensive eyeshadow palette, but it is so gorgeous. It is the YSL Desert Nude palette. I'm just going to do a classic soft glam. These shadows are pigmented and they blend really well. Filling in my brows with the Urban Decay Brow Blade. This retails for $36. Setting my brows in place with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. This retails for $34. For mascara, we are going in with the YSL Lash Clash. This retails for $39. This is my most expensive eyeliner. It is the Glamnetic Ultimate Duo Magnetic Eyeliner. I don't know if I should do brown or black. Okay, this is applying a lot smoother than other magnetic eyeliners I've used, so I'm very pleasantly surprised. This retails for $56. It only makes sense to use a magnetic eyeliner if you're also using magnetic lashes. Coincidentally, these are also my most expensive pair. These are the Glamnetic Virgo lashes and they retail for $39. I cut them in half and here's how we're looking. This is my most expensive lip liner. It is the Victoria Beckham lip liner in the shade 2. So creamy. I love it. By the way, it retails for $39. This YSL lipstick is my most expensive lipstick, but how gorgeous is that packaging? Honestly, it's worth it just for the packaging. This is in the shade 9. It is super clean, honestly. This retails for $54. This is technically a lip gloss, making it my most expensive lip gloss. It's the YSL Candy Glaze and it retails for $52. And that is a full face of my most expensive makeup all done. This makeup look costs over $2,200. What do we think? Is it worth it?